Hey, it's Dylan with the Problem Solvers, and a question I often get asked is, how much does it cost to replace a furnace? To that question, I would say it depends. There's a lot of different factors that go into replacing a furnace. One of the first things is going to be, is it a natural gas or is it propane? Another factor will be the tonnage of the system, whether it's a 1 ton or a 5 ton. It could also depend on the size of the unit that you currently have. It depends on several different things, from the efficiency that you're trying to achieve to the type of insulation that you currently have in the home. Really, the best way to get an accurate quote is to have somebody come out there and take a look. At the Problem Solvers, we'd like to help. If you need more information, please give us a call or visit our website.